Number 1. Play to earn Metaverse Crypto Gaming games. There are many Metaverse Crypto games that are play to earn. There's games like Aliens Worlds. Alien Worlds is a play-to-earn Metaverse crypto game that is based on the Wax blockchain and allows players to earn virtual currency. NFTs may be used to mine Trillium, TLM, by gamers using their NFTs. Users may mine using a variety of equipment and on a variety of planets. Players may also upgrade their tools to get more Trillium for each time they mine, increasing their earning potential. The most appealing aspect of Alien Worlds is that it requires no initial financial input on the side of the player. It is possible for users to mine with the default equipment offered, or they may purchase incredibly inexpensive tools for as little as $1 to $2 to boost their earning potential. Users must now press a button every 7 to 10 minutes in order to mine TLM. The duration between mining sessions is determined by the tools you use and the time it takes for them to charge. While Alien Worlds does not demand a large initial investment to begin playing the game, players should not be deceived since they can also acquire land for a minimum of $8,000 if they want to enhance their TLM profits even more. Most of the crypto gaming P2E games require you to spend money to make money, and that is not the case for this next great way to make money. And that is CoinHunt World. CoinHunt World is the greatest play-to-earn cryptocurrency game available. CoinHunt World, CHW, the mobile app platform to which I alluded in the start, is without a doubt the greatest play-to-earn game available right now. This game is akin to Pokemon Go, except instead of gathering Charmanders and Squirtles, you scavenge for Bitcoin and Ethereum. CHW is a geolocation game in which you play as a cute blue cube-shaped man who is represented on a digital map by the player. When you walk about in real life, the blue man moves with you as well. The blue keys on a computerized map that represented my area were spread around the screen while I was playing CHW. This is not a game that can be played from the comfort of your own house. I had to go outdoors and collect all of the keys that were strewn around the map. I ended up going across town, to my local bank, and a few other recognized locations in order to gather the blue keys in the end. Then, after sending my keys to the vault, I was required to complete a question. I replied properly, and in exchange, I received some Bitcoin and Ethereum, for free. After half an hour of experimenting with CHW, I was able to make 60 cents in Bitcoin and 40 cents in Ethereum. It should be noted, though, that this was my first experience with the app, and I was still getting the hang of it. I could have earned a few bucks more with a little more effort and had more expertise. According to Reddit, the majority of CHW players earn roughly $20 each week. One Redditor claimed to make $60 per week as a CHW. Following the accumulation of sufficient BTC and ETH, you might convert them into cash by linking your Uphold account to CHW. What distinguishes CoinHunt World as the finest play-to-earn cryptocurrency game is the fact that it pays the best coins to users. It took me by surprise to see BTC and ETH being given away as prizes, considering these two cryptocurrencies are the big dogs in the cryptocurrency industry. This game is free to play, which is somewhat of an oddity in the play-to-earn universe. The disadvantage is that you'll need a lot of free time if you want to make a significant quantity of cryptocurrency on CHW. Additionally, if you live in the country, keys will be more difficult to find. It's understandable that you're wondering, if you're being paid in ETH and BTC, how is CHW generating money? That is not the case. According to CoinHunt World Wiki, the game is now in the red, meaning it is losing money. CHW intends to make a profit in the long run via advertising. These advertisements will not be as intrusive as the videos that you see on most mobile applications. The CoinHunt World platform will be charged to token teams that utilize it to teach consumers about their respective cryptocurrencies. CoinHunt World is a good way to build crypto if you are looking for a way to pass time and want to play a little while you work each day. While CHW is still in early access, it is exclusively accessible on Google Play for Android users. Number 2. The second great way to make money with Metaverse Gaming Crypto is mining apps. Every time you click the button and slide the bar, you earn crypto. And you will continue to do this all the time on StormGain. When you download StormGain and start earning cloud mining, the app is communicating with StormGain and they are doing the mining. You are just initiating the mining with your app and your end of the processing, which is just clicking on the button and sliding the slide bar. And that's how all of these mining apps work. You have to have a strategy, or you will simply spend, trade, or in some other way lose all of your Bitcoin. Saving all of it is a strategy and one that will work. More mining apps that you can create crypto wealth with are Crypto Tab, Cryptex, Filecoin, Hivos, Claymore's Dual Miner and several more which I recommend. These are easy to learn and use, and there are instructions on how to withdraw your crypto from them. And they are understandable, and you have to be able to choose where you want your crypto to go, either cash or to another platform where you may have more crypto waiting. Number 3, the third thing to do is trading. Going through how to read a trading screen and how to read a chart. And then going through some very simple and technical analysis techniques that you will want to use. And then go through how to place a market order and a limit order on a trading system. I will be using Coinbase for this tutorial, but you can use any trading platform like Binance or Uniswap. It will be the same no matter what platform you want to use. You will get a chart and some trading options. What you need to do after you have signed up for your account is go onto your dashboard or main page and click on the trade screen. Go onto the advanced tab and you will see the trading screen pop up. The first thing you want to do is check out the trading chart, and especially for the coin that you want to purchase. And then monitor the timestamp. You may want to view the 4-hour or 1 week or 1 year. To get a full view of what your project looks like in terms of money and its price and possibly the volatility of its price. And you can go onto the candlestick graph, and you can see each period of time, represented by each candlestick. And if the candlestick is red, that is indicating the trading period was down, and green means it was up or means the stock increased in price. And you can see on the candlestick, the top of the candlestick will be the higher price and the bottom the lowest price that the stock traded for that day or hour or week, etc. Next you want to choose the USD for trading. You want to trade dollars for crypto. Trade dollar for your crypto, like if you want Bitcoin or Ethereum, you choose the other side of the trading sheet as one of those. It will look like this: USD to ETH. Trading BTC to ETH will be trading Bitcoin for Ethereum. There are ways to do other types of trades, margins and all of that. Crypto is extremely volatile already. If you want to do those things, there are very detailed education courses that you can sign up for and find out how to make a fortune doing trading. I see people trading crypto all the time, and they really do make a fortune doing it. They make millions of dollars. The link in the description will provide you with one course that will provide you with such education. These are some of the best ideas out there to make the most out of Metaverse Gaming Crypto. If you want more, smash the subscribe button, as we will be posting updated daily content so you can learn fast. That's all on our end.